Welcome. Here we're going to talk about finding the area and perimeter of rectangles. So a rectangle, of course, we're all familiar with what they look like. We have length and width. So the perimeter for any polygon, and rectangles are included in that category, is all of the side lengths added up together. So the perimeter is going to be length plus width plus width. And the way we handle repeated addition is by using this coefficient. So 2 times L plus 2 times W to get the perimeter. And then the area will be the length times the width. So these are usually pretty straightforward for students. I think that the most common error that students make when finding perimeter and area is not forgetting the formulas, it's getting the units wrong. So let's do an example just so that we're very clear. Let's say we have a rectangle here with length 12 feet and width 6 feet. So the formulas are fairly straightforward to apply, but we have to be just a little bit careful about the units, and I'd say that's the biggest mistake that students make. So 2 times the length, which is 12 feet, plus 2 times the width, which is 6 feet, and I end up with 24 feet plus 12 feet equals 36 feet. That is the perimeter of this rectangle. Now, this should make sense that it's feet instead of square feet, which is area, because if I were building, if I was doing a fence, right, I would need 12 feet worth. That would be how much I need in order to surround this zone. That's what you need for the perimeter. The area is going to be length times width. So my length is 12 feet times the width, which is 6 feet. And when I multiply those together, 12 times 6 is 72. So you multiply the numbers together, feet times feet. Remember that repeated units like that, we add that exponent, we add that square at the top. So we have square feet as the area. So again, it's fairly straightforward. Just be a little bit careful of your units and make sure that when you're presenting a perimeter, no matter what the problem is, rectangles or otherwise, a perimeter is always linear. So it's always just feet or inches or miles. The area is always going to be square units, square feet, square inches, square miles, whatever the case may be. Thank you so much for watching.